The day is finally here. Blake will always send Natalie flowers on every holiday, sometimes just because. He will always go to bed before midnight. And lastly, he will not play too much golf.
Thank you, Ben.
How blessed we all are to be here for such a joyous occasion to celebrate the matrimony of Natalie and Blake. I would like to mention that there are those close to Natalie and Blake who could not be here today, but whose thoughts and blessings are with them. I know Lauren is smiling down on us today. Lauren was a kind, funny, and beautiful soul that we will always celebrate. We can all say with confidence that Blake has her blessing from their days of chatting on AOL. I think she would even say today tops the '05 National Championship.
Hi.
I think you can turn around.
The big reveal. Wow, look at you. You look beautiful, sweetie. I don't know what else anybody could ask for.
So handsome.
I guess you're going to get married, huh?
I think I should now that I have the dress on.
I think you should too.
I love you.
Love you too.
I, Blake, take you, Natalie, to be my lawfully wedded wife, to have and to hold to this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish until we are parted by death. This is my solemn vow.
I, Natalie, take you, Blake, to be my lawfully wedded husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer,
In sickness and in health.
in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish until we are parted by death. This is my solemn vow.
I give you this ring as a sign of our love and commitment to each other. Promise to support you, care for you, stand alongside you for all our days.
I give you this ring as a sign of our love and commitment to each other. I promise to support you, care for you, and stand alongside you for all of our days.
And now that you have spoken the words and performed the rites that unite your lives, by the power vested in me, pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride. May your bond of love be as difficult to break as it would to put together the pieces of this glass.
Just go for it.
Mr. and Mrs. William Blake Browder.
Mrs. Browder.
You are Mrs. Browder.
One of the most beautiful things about a marriage is the opportunity to take two souls and bind them into one. Natalie and Blake have come together to learn the best of what each has to offer, appreciating their differences and confirming that being together is all that matters.
Love you so much. Hey, together, okay? You and me. We're a team.
I love you. I'm so happy that I get to be with my best friend.